So if you haven't used ZonGuru before, we do offer a 7-day trial. So I'm going to go to our pricing. So we do offer a 7-day trial. I do believe there will be a special offer, especially for the people that are watching this video. I believe that will be found below. Go and check it out, because the numbers will be different to what I'm explaining. But just generally speaking, if you're interested in checking ZonGuru out, as I said, you do get a 7-day trial where you won't get paid, and you can connect your Seller Central account, have your ASINs in there, see what it does for your business. But in terms of different plans, we have 3 different plans for the individual seller. So we understand that there is a difference between a researcher, someone starting out, versus a seller. So we do have separate plans for that. So if you're a researcher, the difference mainly between a researcher and a seller plan is the number of tools that you have access to. The awesome thing with ZonGuru is that you can upgrade your account as you grow. Okay, so in the researcher plan, you have up to listing optimizer tool. So you have all the tools required for you to research your product, validate your product, and even create a listing. Okay, so you've got all the way up to there. And then once you kind of go live and you need that connection with Seller Central, that's when you would move over to the seller account, and you have all the monitoring. So product pulse, keyword tracker, review automator, email automator, all of those tools available once you jump over to the seller account, and then have that connection to your Seller Central account. So that's the difference there. This is in US dollars, so $39 a month. You have the option to pay monthly or annually. Obviously, if you go annually, the price does drop down. I'd like to mention that on a seller's plan, your cost will grow as your business grows. So the more ASINs you have, the price will increase depending on the number of ASINs. So if you're starting small, you start small, and again, you can up it, one at a time. So that's, I think, very handy there, that you don't have to go like, oh, my vision in a year's time is to have 50 plus ASINs, but right now I only have 2 to 5. Well, then you only pay 2 to 5 until you reach that spot. And then lastly, we do have enterprise solutions. So I'm not quite sure how many of you who are watching this are at that level, but if you're an enterprise brand and you've got 50 plus, 100 plus ASINs, the tools are the same, but what is available in terms of sessions, you just hop on a call with us and we can tell you exactly what is most suitable for you. If you're an Amazon agency, we do have enterprise type solutions that are required or that are needed and used by agencies and not by the individual seller. If that's you and you want to learn more, it's more so hopping on a call with one of us and we can show you exactly what the enterprise solutions does, because it is more relevant to you guys rather than the individual seller.
Pretty cool. Yeah, we're going to have the link to the pricing page in the description. Those who want to go through that page, we're going to have a free trial and a special offer for the viewers. And yeah, as I mentioned, for smaller sellers, if you have one product, they're going to pay accordingly in the seller package. Researcher, for those maybe who are only searching for products and creating listings, I think pretty fair prices. Maybe again, for people who are watching like 5 years from now, if they're going to be watching this video, then maybe the prices will change. But currently, these are pretty fair prices for software that has many options available to it. So yeah, again, we're going to have all the relevant links in the description of the video. We're going to have, again, the free trial, the discounts, the pricing page, also the playlist of other videos of ZonGuru that I have